Hey, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by. And what you're looking at here with this beast is, this is a steam cleaner. This is the Vapamore MR-100 Primo Steam Cleaner. I like the Primo name in it. So I want to do a review because this unit itself is about 6 years old, almost exactly 6 years old. We've had this and we've used and abused it for all sorts of different things. So I want to kind of tell you how it's held up and how it's doing and give you kind of my thoughts about it. If you're not familiar with the steamer, what it is you pour some distilled water into here, tighten it down really good, turn it on, takes a couple minutes, and then it pressurizes in here, and that water gets super hot and steamy. And then when you put different attachments on and pull this trigger, that steamy water comes out and kind of like a steam spray, a little bit of spray of water, and you use that to clean really anything, all sorts of different things. We use this a ton on cleaning refrigerators, especially the inside of the fridge, the floor, tile, grout, inside showers is really good inside showers. It's good for detail, it's good for larger areas, but also has a couple different attachments. So you can do this for like cleaning the carpet, for example, or cleaning a tile or a wood floor. You can use these different extenders in there and then actually use it kind of like a mop. So that's a quick overview. That being said, I don't know how many things we've cleaned with this thing, tons of it. So much to the point, it comes with all sorts of different attachments and they're pretty matted down. You know, like this one here, I'll show you, for example, this is like a 6-year-old attachment. It's very matted. That's like kind of bristly brushes, but it still kind of does the job. By the way, you can buy new ones of these if you need to. Comes with these little scrapers. We use that quite a bit. But the main one that we use probably the most is this type of attachment. This goes to the floor. You can wrap a pad or a towel or something on there, and then using the extenders, you can use it to kind of mop the floor. We use that quite a bit, and it cleans it really good. You don't even need cleaning product with it. You can just use the steam to clean it all up. As far as all components, everything seems to work good. It does take a few minutes, meaning like 10 or so minutes for this to fully steam up or heat up the water. It still is about the same as when we originally bought it. I don't think it takes much longer than that. Temperature-wise, it's incredibly hot, so that works good. It has a little retractable cord thing in the back. You can pull out the cord and then push this lever down to retract it back in. That seems to work good. So overall, other than the, kind of these disposable parts kind of breaking down after, hundreds of uses probably, everything is in really, really good shape. So we've been happy with it. We'll keep using it until it dies, and then we'll probably get another one because this is so useful for us. So I hope that helps you out. I hope you understand a little bit more about this steamer, and thanks for stopping by and for watching this video.